This is the Desert Does It seat jackers for the Jeep 2018 Plus Gladiator and Wrangler. All the tools you need. And we'll do the install video here shortly. This is one tool that you will need. It's an E12 socket, and all the newer cars are starting to use this. See the pattern in that? It wouldn't hurt to have a set because all the newer cars are going to this for the interior parts. But this is a Matco set from the tool truck. Yes, so you will need this to take off the front seats on the Gladiator. The Gladiator uses these bolts. Alright, basically this is why you do the seat jackers. So this right here is your regular seat right here. So the bottom part is flat. So your thighs right here, the back of your upper thighs, aren't really touching the front part of the seat. If you're tall like myself or a big guy, you realize that the majority of your weight will just sit on your back and your butt right here, not fully distributed on the back of your legs. So the seat jacker basically shims up the front of the seat, so when you're sitting down, your weight not only is on your butt, but it's right there on the back of your legs, like above your knees right there. So your weight is evenly more distributed, therefore causing less fatigue when driving and less aches and pains in your back from sitting flat like that. All right, let's get these seat jackers in. So I already used the special bit and took out both front seat bolts. They got red thread locker on them, so they're gonna be fun getting out. The ones back here, we're just gonna loosen them up. So loosen up the two in the back. Anyway, we're gonna put this rear one on first. So it goes right like this. I'm gonna put this in first, blue thread lock. So we're gonna use a blue Loctite 30mm bolt, which is the bigger one. I put those in. All right, we got blue thread locker on the two bolts. Small one's going in first. So I found it easier to use a 1/4-inch drive with this. So it'll give you a lot of room. I'm gonna put an extension on there. So as you can see, it is on a slight angle. So the front is on a slight angle. So the front is going to be aimed, or the socket is going to be aimed back towards the dash. All right, so I have the bolt started by hand because the rear tunnel one is on an angle like that. So that rear tunnel one is on an angle, so it kind of sits like this, as you can see. So we're going to torque these to 35 foot-pounds. I'm actually pushing down on the carpet. It's going. All right, we're tightening up. There we go. And then, so same with this one. All right, we're gonna put blue Loctite on the other two shorty bolts, and there was one washer, so I put the one washer on the outer because that makes more sense. So I started these by hand. This one kind of goes straight in, but as you can see, this one is going to be on an angle. So on this one, you got the hole right here. There's no hole here, it's on the other side, and that's for the bracketry. But Start them both by hand. I can't stress that enough, because when you start to torque it, you're going to strip aluminum, and you don't want to do that. So make sure you start both of these by hand. Don't just use any kind of power equipment or force anything. If you need to, you can wiggle the seat back and forth to get it started. So now we're going to torque these down to 35 foot-pounds as well. And that's it. All right, and this is the final result. Now, that is the final result. Here's the other one. It kind of gives you more room under the damn seat. I can fit more stuff under here. So, as you can see, there's a hole right there, and there's a hole on the other side. So, Desert Does It makes a bracket for that, where you can add accessories, like a little moly plate under here, where you can put first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, gun holder, flashlight holder, anything like that. But the main part of that is to, like I said, so now the angle of the seat went from that to this now. So the angle of the seat went from this to this. So more of the back of your legs, the back of your thighs near your knees are supporting more of your weight for a more comfortable ride. I had the same exact thing in my Toyota Tundra. If you look through my videos, I did this on my Toyota Tundra, and it definitely saved me a lot of back pain on the trails, especially all the long rides we do in this thing. If you guys have any other questions about any other modifications, check my page. I have a playlist with a lot of my modifications on here. These are the rough country seat covers. I have them in my Tundra as well. Each rough country seat cover set is custom molded for each application. These aren't the ones that you get at Walmart where they just universally slip over any car. This one right here is made specifically for the Gladiator for this amount of years, yada yada. I know there's a difference in the Mojave or not, because the Mojave has the rear center armrest that folds down out of it. So I love these things. They make the seats look new. They protect them, especially if dogs, kids, you know, getting in and out of it when it's muddy. So I wanted to point that out in this video as well. I got 2 kids in booster seats. So, oh, also this moly panel right here, little attic storage. I have my winter jacket up there, my rain jacket. I have a blanket for the kids. Over there I have some ducks, toys, the kids' headphones up there on the other side. And just more storage up there that's, you know, on a Jeep that you don't take the roof off of. It is good storage up there, because it's just wasted space. So the kids like it up there. They can reach up there, grab stuff. You could put, you know, moly stuff, attach stuff on here. On the other side as well. So that is definitely a good investment. I'll put the link in the descriptions below for the moly plate. I love to keep, I'll put a link in the descriptions below for these. These are, I believe, 2 of them for 30 bucks off Amazon. So it's got a light here, a light here. It does not have red light, but it does have motion light on it. The kids like them. They're more for the kids. I have my nice Streamlight one in the back charging. That trash can right there, love that. Hey everyone, thanks for making it all the way through. I'll put the links in the description below for all the gear that I have in here, especially the Blue Ridge Overland gear trash can that I use in the passenger seat back. I'll put that in there, as well as the MPS Moly Panel Solutions rear attic, and the flashlights and seat covers, as well as the Desert Does It link. Thanks for watching. Check out my other install videos and check out a couple of playlists. Please subscribe, hit the notification button for new modifications I got coming out, and we'll see you in the next one.